In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple Layout on this Android. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. This one. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, hit Apps, tap on Default Apps and select Home App to click on Launcher Pro. Then wait. As you can see, my Apple Layout was applied successfully on this device. If you wish to make some changes, just visit the Launcher app. If you wish to go back to your standard layout, go back into Devices Settings, hit Launcher in Default Home app, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!